What is page redirect? I am facing issue when I open some site in browser, click on something, it automatically opens another site on a new tab. Please explain. You're describing a page redirect, and more specifically, a type of unwanted or malicious redirect that can be super annoying. How can I prevent these redirects? You nailed it. What you're experiencing is a page redirect, and in your case it sounds like a malicious, unwanted redirect. Let me break it down for you. What is a page redirect? A redirect is when a web page automatically sends your browser to another page or site. Legitimate redirects, used by websites when a page has moved, for example, oldsite.com, newsite.com. Login systems, after login you're redirected to your dashboard. URL shortening services, bit.ly, actual site. Malicious, unwanted redirects, triggered by shady scripts, ads, or malware. You click something and a new tab opens with spam, ads, or fake websites, often caused by adware, compromised websites, or bad browser extensions. Why are you seeing unwanted redirects? Infected websites. Some sites inject ad scripts that open extra tabs. Malicious ads, malvertising. Ad networks serving bad code. Browser hijacker extensions. An extension installed that forces redirects. Adware, malware on your system. Hidden programs changing your browser behavior. How to prevent these redirects. 1. Browser level fixes. Enable pop-up blocker in Chrome/Firefox/Edge. Block third-party cookies and scripts. Settings, privacy, security. Use ad blocker extensions like uBlock, Origin, or AdGuard. Remove suspicious extensions. Check Chrome extensions as 2. System level fixes. Run a full antivirus malware scan. Windows Defender, Malwarebytes. Remove any unknown programs installed recently. Clear browser cache, cookies, and reset browser settings. 3. Safe browsing habits. Don't click shady download links or free movie streaming pop-ups. Keep your browser and OS updated. Use a secure DNS provider, like Google DNS 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. Some malicious redirects exploit bad DNS. Quick example in your case. You click on a normal button, a hidden JavaScript runs, opens a new tab with spam site. That's usually malvertising or a compromised site. Blocking scripts with uBlock, Origin, or scanning for adware fixes it most of the time.